Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use units converter on iPhone calculator in iPhone 17 Air. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on calculator app. Now here click on this calculator icon. Click on this. Click on convert. Now here click on this three lines icon. Converter. 5. You want to select date, angry, fox, area, angel. After the engine, go back to home screen. That's how you can use units converters on iPhone calculator in iPhone 17 years. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.